Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on this self-watering high drainage plant pot by HB Services USA. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the plant pot with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, all right. Now kids, don't play with knives, okay? So before I open the box, I just want to show y'all my money tree. I'm starting to notice my money tree. I gave it a name, by the way. This is Charisma. Hey. Yeah, so Charisma ain't looking too good, man, I don't know what's going on. I mean, it doesn't require too much water. You're not supposed to water the money plant every day, okay? And I also use temperature water, also filtered water. I don't use water straight from the faucet. So I don't know what's going on. So maybe it's suffocating. That's just my guess. Like I said, I don't have any experience when it comes to plants. All right, so this is it. So as you can see, let me get a measuring tape. And I'm back. So this is 10 inches in diameter. And the height is, yep, I was right, 9 inches. So once again, the diameter is 10 inches and the height is 9 inches. It has a direction here. Add soil to cover the bottom of the pot, being sure to fill the legs. Gently tap the side of the pot to ensure soil is settled in all legs. Plant as you normally would, adding soil to the desired depth. Water once from the top thoroughly so that excess water begins to drain into the bottom saucer. Check regularly and add water to the bottom saucer as needed. Watering attachment inside bottom saucer. Pull firmly to separate. Okay, so, okay. All right, I'm gonna put it back. So there's like a, I don't know if you can see that. There's like a little cross holes, 4 holes, and then there's a like a pin-like type. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and this is the, it looks like you attach it here, and I guess where you put the water, I don't know. So I'm like doing this as I go, Oops. I'm gonna go get the soil now. So once again, this is the soil, all right? So I'm gonna leave a link where you could purchase this, my affiliated link, and also my affiliated link for this plant pot here. So it says just put the soil on the bottom. I'm not even gonna wear no stinking gloves, man. I'm just gonna put it on right there. Shake it in. So the soil is leaking just a little bit on the bottom here. Let's see. All right, just open it like this. All right, so I'll make sure to buy some more soil for Charisma. So as of now, I hope this will hold up. You know, it's like a baby. You know, a baby starts from a baby crib, then you know you start off in an apartment, in a 2-bedroom apartment, and then get the baby is growing, is walking, and then next thing you know, they grow up so fast that you gotta buy a new house. You know, a brand new house. All right. You know what? I'm gonna go get some gloves. I'll be right back. And I'm back with the blue gloves. So yeah, so that's how Charisma looks. I'll put some water. Whoever is the maker of this plant pot, I mean, I know you gave a direction or instruction. You know, I wish that you guys add um, like a illustration instruction. You know, like a little business card size. You know, because I don't know what's this for. Do I put water on it or in it? All right, so I'm back with a room temperatured water, and this is filtered water, by the way. So I guess you pour water here, right? And I guess I'm gonna pour some on top right here. I don't want to put too much water. Okay, and then it says tap it on the side. Damn, it's like I gotta get some more soil, man. I don't like my plant shifting side to side like this. All right. Okay, so hopefully that gets the job done. We have water on the bottom. I pour some water on the top, and let's see. I'll keep you guys and girls updated on this matter. Okay. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Hey world, check out my streetwear brand, DOSOS. Check it out at www.dosos.clothing. That's DOSOS dot clothing. Thank you. Once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world. Bye world. Peace.